Okay, everybody, today we are going to put Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice. Well, we're going to put it through its paces on my 76 Pacer. And we're going to see what she comes out like. And rather than put you through the watching me do it, well, this is the before. And then I'm going to come back and show you the after. It's very dulled out dead paint. It has been scrubbed down. So, let's get on it. Well, here's the results. Shine Juice gets an A. Very, very good. This is finished and dried. So, yeah, not bad. It's very good. I encourage you to go to Vice Grip Garage's website and buy you a bottle if you want to make it shine without doing a lot of work. And for a temporary thing, really, this is for me, but shows up the dents good. But I'm very impressed. Thank you, Derek, for a great product. I also did my wife's Jeep. She had a lot of areas where the clear coat had come off, and now trying to see it, yeah, it don't show up so easy. Looks extremely good. Now there's places where like you can't put the paint back, but you know, it shines. It does shine. So there you have it. Shine Juice is worth the money. About, I think it was $54. Very good product. Try it out.